There aren't a lot of high-capacity rechargeable batteries for Xbox One, but Dacckit batteries will let you play for hours on a single charge. A set of these batteries will help you move away from AA batteries that you have to keep on buying. The package comes with a triple charger and 3 2500 mAh batteries. Most rechargeable battery packs only come with 2, and the batteries themselves come in a molded pack that looks kind of like 2 AA batteries bound together. This 3-pack will give you up to 15 to 20 hours of playtime, which is pretty amazing. And the Dacckit charger is future-proof with a USB-C port, and it can also be plugged into a standard micro USB cable. The charger can be powered from the Xbox even when it's not turned on. But if you don't want to plug it into your Xbox, you can use a USB wall charger, but that's not included. Each battery slot has a charging indicator, so you can easily see the status of the charge. The Dacckit batteries fit in all Xbox One controllers. As long as the logo is readable and right side up, it's installed correctly. These batteries are also excellent with the Elite controller too. It takes about 5 to 6 hours to fully charge, and here you can see the different status colors, with green being fully charged. You won't find many high-capacity Xbox controller batteries like this, let alone a set that comes with 3 batteries, so you can always have one ready. If you want to move away from using AA batteries, the Dacckit rechargeable batteries are a nice addition to the Xbox One. Please remember to leave a comment if you found this video helpful, and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with all my weekly videos.